Hi, I'm Brian Collier, Executive Director of the Texas Department of Criminal Justice. I want to speak with you briefly today about an employee survey which will begin in the coming months. TDCJ has a 2030 plan that many of you have heard about. In that 2030 plan, one of our primary goals is to be voted a number one employer by our own employees by the year 2030. To do that, we as an agency need to make changes in our culture, but also in the way we work with our employees. One of the ways we can improve that is by learning what you feel as an employee and providing that information so that we can make the appropriate changes. We have contracted through a third-party vendor who will help us conduct a survey in the coming months, which will be an ongoing process for the foreseeable future. These surveys will be relatively short in nature, but they will go out to randomly selected employees who can anonymously complete the survey on their phone, their personal phone, submit that information in. It will go through a third party and then come back to the agency with no identification of the employee that provided the survey information. But the information that you provide on the survey can help us in the agency make changes to make us a better workplace in TDCJ, to make our family even stronger as employees of TDCJ. I urge you, if you are one of the ones selected for this survey, to please consider giving us an opportunity to hear your voice. Your voice matters. Please be part of the change that we're trying to make. Thank you for your time.